Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my YouTube channel Cryptoland. I just hope you all are fine and must be having a great day. Well, as you all know, we talk about new projects and new websites, and I always try to bring those projects to you in which you can have a good profit. So today I have another project that will be having their fair launch in 3 hours. So let's move to our site. Let's know more about the project. But before we begin, I want you all to please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. Alright, so this is our project for today. It's Polycoin. Polycoin is a fair launch DeFi coin. Here we have a countdown to the fair launch. So they will be having a fair launch in 3 hours and 9 minutes. So we have 3 hours and 9 minutes to go, and then they will list and you can buy the token. So we have a direct link to buy the token, and then let's talk about the tokenomics of Polycoin. So let's talk about reward system. Holders are rewarded with a share of each transaction carried out, and then stake members of our community have the opportunity, in addition to loyal holding, to stake their coins to generate the maximum return. So you can also stake your tokens to get some good return. And then the heart of this project is our fantastic community, which is always in focus. And now the liquidity comes. The liquidity pool is continuously replenished with each transaction in order to guarantee steady trading for the community. Here we have roadmap of Polycoin to know what they have planned for the future. So phase 1, November 2021, the month is very exciting. The final work for the launch is proceeding as planned, and Polycoin will be launched on schedule at the beginning of November. And then in the meantime, our developers continue to work diligently on the ecosystem, which will be created with you, our community and Polycoin. Then by December 2021, first marketing phase will begin. In December, the focus is exclusively on making Polycoin popular. In order to achieve this goal as well as possible, the team has already set up multi-stage marketing plan. This plan starts here in the first phase, which initially focuses on the presence on crypto-related sites. For this purpose, advertising banners will be placed on a lot of well-known crypto sites such as PooCoin, CoinHunt, CoinSniper, and many more. At the same time, we expect the applications at CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko are getting accepted. And then by January 2022, second marketing phase will begin. The next marketing phase will start in January after Polycoin has been steadily present on crypto related sites. So the social media presence will now be expanded as well. Twitter, YouTube, Instagram will be established. In addition, the developers of other projects will be contacted in order to work together towards a better crypto-defined tomorrow. And then in February 2022, third marketing phase plus marketplace beta. In February, the Polycoin NFT marketplace Polychange beta will be released, which is also the first and most important step towards the overall goal of the Polycoin ecosystem. In addition, the third and longest phase of the marketing plan will start. The goal of this phase is to maintain a steady presence on crypto-related sites as well as social media. And more things will be updated on roadmap, so you will be able to check that on website later on. And here you have some frequently asked questions. So if you have anything in your mind about the project, so you can go through these questions. Like when will be the launch? So Polycoin will start with an airdrop for evening who signs up by Saturday, November 6th at 15 GMT, followed by a fair launch of the remaining coins on Sunday, November 7th. Then where can I buy Polycoin? So Polycoin will be available on PancakeSwap approx 2 hours after the fair launch. So what is Polycoin about? So Polycoin is a community-driven project with a unique reward system for our loyal holders and the overall goal to create a whole ecosystem around it. For more detailed information, you can check out the white paper, and I recommend you to please check out the white paper so you will have a better vision about the project. And here you can check the plan for Polycoin. So Polycoin aims to build an ecosystem around its token while focusing on building a great community. You have their Telegram community link and social channel like Twitter. You can follow them on Twitter and you can join their Telegram community. So if you have anything about the project or if you want to ask anything, so you can get in touch with the team on Telegram. Plus, you will be notified about launch and everything on Telegram. So it's must to join the Telegram community. So this was our project for today, Polycoin, and they will be launching in 3 hours. Then you will be able to buy Polycoin tokens from PancakeSwap. So I will provide the link in the description. You can check out the project by yourself. You can do your own research. You can check out their website. Plus, I will give the links to the social channels. You can join their Telegram community. So you will be notified about their failed launch as well. I hope you enjoyed the website. If yes, so please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and press the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.